Today I'm gonna do an unboxing. This is Dan's gift last Mother's Day weekend. We went to the store last Sunday and yeah, here's what he got for me. So let's unbox this. Okay, it comes, I don't know if this is a new packaging for summer or spring or for Mother's Day, but it comes in this box. The lady that helped him, the sales associate that helped him, was really patient. And this paper, insert paper, it looks like the white, it has this like white checkered print, the damier azure is the gift. Look at the packaging. It comes with this Happy Mother's Day ribbon. It's so special, right? So I was contemplating if I'm gonna tell him that this is not the one, but you know, it's his preference and this is his gift, so I'm just gonna accept this gift. So the reason why I wanted the Rosalie coin purse because it is like smaller than this. I'm gonna show you how I'm going to use this wallet.
That is crazy.
What is crazy? It's not crazy. What do you have?
This one.
What you got?
A bag.
A bag. Wow, you got a bag. Wow.
Wow.
Go open it.
Gift.
A gift. Oh,
And colorful.
it's fancy and colorful.
Yes.
You can put card in there.
Cards.
Yeah, and then you can put your cash over here.
And put your cash in here.
Yeah, and then you can put your coins here.
And put your coins. And put your coins.
Yeah.
And can we put your coins in here?
Yes, you can.
And put
Let's
your-
remove this tag first over here. It comes with this tag,
And
coins.
yes.
Okay, let's put the card.
Put here. Can we put the card? Yeah, one card.
You want the card?
Yes.
No, not there, over here in the other pocket, okay?
And this one.
Yes, here, in the other pocket.
Yeah.
Okay.
Rose.
Oh, did you borrow
The
the mommy's wallet?
wallet.
It's gonna be mommy's wallet. You can have the box. You wanna keep the box? You put it down. No, not like that. Like this. There you go. You can have it. You can go play over there.
No, I
Oh
want it.
my god. Give me.
No. Give me this gift.
That is mommy's card.
No, it's for me.
It is not for you. Sit properly.
Why? I want to do this now.
You wanna do the what?
And do this watch
You wanna do what's in your wallet? Oh my god.
wallet.
So ako na ngayon. So I got this like inserts. It has 6 pockets that you can add some like pictures. Remember when we were in like elementary or high school, in grade school, we have this wallet, like the vinyl wallet. I remember, like Hello Kitty or anything like that were so popular during the 90s. So we also have this booklet for like prayers that I can put in here like this. Oh my gosh, it doesn't fit. Oh, I know this is your bag, but I'm gonna just put this inside like so, right? So you can have some extra. Yeah, you're gonna have more, and then we can put cash and this.
Can I have more?
Yeah, we can. You have so many coins. Wow. Is this your cash?
Yoink.
Oh, I'm gonna give you more cash. Do you want that?
And put it in the pocket.
Yeah. Do you want more money?
Can I put it in the pocket? Yes.
Yes.
I have dollars.
When you go to school, you're gonna have an ID. You can put it over there. Lord, bakit?
Can I help me close it?
Okay. You can close it. Show it to Daddy that you have more cash over there. Daddy, open it over here. Mm. Oh my God, sa kanya talaga. Do you need help?
Yes.
So this is how the wallet looks when full. Like, it's not totally full, but you still have more space.
Mommy, this is for you.
Okay, it's yours. Okay. I also forgot. We also went to Zara because I wanted to get a new dress, clothes, but it was really overwhelming. Yeah, you got a yellow butterfly. It was really overwhelming, and the line to the fitting room is always long. So I just got this
Tiger beetle.
shorts, white shorts for summer.
Tiger beetle, mommy.
You know, you can just wear white top or like any colorful top, and then with this white shorts. And also got this dress. I don't know why I got black and white, but I got this. The fabric is just thin, perfect for summer, and mini dress with belt. Let me just try it on so that you can see this. Okay, so here it is with the cards full. Hi.
Hi.
Oh my gosh, you're so cute. Yeah, can mommy borrow it? You can also like add a chain. Like, you can add a chain like this. That's why. Like this. Right? They're so cute. You can use it as a wristlet. And everything is secure on the side.
There.
Right? And like your phone. And like